Hello everyone. Today I am Ashish Sahu. I have done my machine learning project under the guidance of Skyfire Lab, and I have completed my machine learning project, which topic is Boston Housing data set, and it is as follows. First of all, we import every tools that we need in the complete procedure. We have imported NumPy, we have imported Pandas, we have imported Matplotlib. NumPy is used as the array, used to modify and use array in the project. Pandas are used to use data frames and in the sheets, spreadsheets, and etc. Matplotlib is used to plot the graph, and we have used the Boston housing dataset, which is present under the sklearn library. And first of all, we load the Boston dataset by Boston is equals to load Boston command function, and we have used the description Boston DESCR to print the Boston description, which says it has total 506 number of instances and 13 numerical attributes with a 14th attribute as median value. And then we have made two pandas data frames. One is features and other is target. And we have in the features we have set the Boston's data, and in the target we have the Boston's target. Then we basically print the Boston data set here, and we can also print the feature data set and also the target data set here. We can also print individually a row or a column, somewhat like this. And then we can also find maximum or minimum by max and min function. And then we concatenate the features in the target, and then we print the df data frame, which consists of concatenated concatenated features and target. And then we print it. Then we have the df.describe function, which give a overall review about the our data set. It contains some numerical values like mean, standard, median, minimum, etc. And then we found the correlation between target and attribute. This is the correlation, means the value which is mostly related to the target, that is the value which will be most useful in the finding whatever we are achieving here, that is the future target, the prediction of Boston housing. And here correlate, and we use the correlations, and we find plot a graph here, and by that we get to know that L state and RM have the highest correlation with the target. And so we use L state as L state, and then we have X and Y, which has the L state's value and target values. And then we use the min max scaler to frame these data frames. And then we have splitted the data set into X train, Y train, Y test, X train, and X test. There are four data sets, that is training data and testing data. Then we have find the mean squared error by this function, and then we have updated the datas by the update function. And these are the some parameters that are used in the gradient descent function. And then we have find out the gradient descent. And after finding out the gradient descent, we have plotted the regression curve using the matplotlib. And now we have also plotted the error versus iteration curve. After that, we visualize the model by using the matplotlib matplotlib library, and we have visualized the complete data. And then we find the predicted data by this function, and then we found out the mean squared error of the predicted data. And then we made a data frame of target and predicted data, and then we plot the graph between them, and thus completing our the project, which is the predicted data. We have found our target, that we have to predict the pricing of Boston dataset.